My life has been a process of learning. I try to foster that in my students. In this program, we have a thirst for learning and staying current and keeping with the trends in the IT and cybersecurity industry.
I'm a junior data center technician at eBay. I'm their hands when they're not at the data center. Links go down, fiber needs to be replaced, stuff needs to be powered on. Running a hosting business and learned a lot of Linux here, which transferred over to me running my business. Clark was kind of the spark for all of that, to be honest.
Mr. Clark is really supportive. He keeps pushing you on. So for the cybersecurity competition, sometimes we have to find really obscure information. Sometimes we have to crack codes. Time management, you have to know how to manage your time for the competitions. You have to be really efficient. So I think that's probably the most translatable thing.
I love hanging out with the kids. I love watching them grow and develop. As you can see around the classroom, we can develop real-world, hands-on, labs-based learning here, constructive learning. The skill sets that they pick up in this program can translate directly after graduation to full-time employment or career. That's my ultimate goal here, is to place students in career fields on career tracks right out of high school.